durissima, Lorenzo davanti, Rossi dietro, non c'è spazio qui,
troppo vicino.
Bravi, ce la fa, è entrato, non ci credo, non ci posso credere.
No,
cosa
ce
ha
l'ha fatta, non ci posso
credere
nemmeno io, è impossibile.
What's up guys, welcome to Supercars of London and the Sunday of our Barbados adventure, and we're here at Bushy Park for the Festival of Speed. This is a huge event for Barbados. Everyone involved has been working incredibly hard, and behind me there is a pretty big queue already for people that are handing their tickets over and going inside. Lewis Hamilton is one of the first people on, and there is a ton on display today, both cars and bikes. All sorts of different varieties, lots of racing, lots of entertainment. I'm incredibly excited. We are starting the video in the car park and we're going to check out some of the cars that are here in Barbados. Before we kick things off, I just want to shout out to the policeman who knew who me and Sam were, which was pretty surreal actually. A policeman on a police bike who said, "Seen through glass, Supercars of London." That was cool. Member of the Red Crew. Sam secretly wants to be a member of Blue Crew. The music has stopped, meaning I can vlog, and we have got ourselves up in the clubhouse. Well, I'm about to get the start on camera. But anyway, this is our view. We are getting excited. We can hear the F1 car. It is so far away, and we've got Harley Davidsons all here, yet you can still hear it. So you're saying it's 2013? Yeah, it must be. So 2013 car, meaning it still screams how everyone wants F1 cars to sound now.
Honestly, a motorbike can't keep up with this car, so it has no chance. He can't brake anywhere near as late as me or travel through the corners as quick as I can. But we're going to try and make it fun. We're going to try and do a bit of a drag race and, you know, see how it goes.
Yamaha Superbike versus AMG.
I do not think I have witnessed anything cooler at a motor show than that Lewis Hamilton versus a 1000cc superbike racing around. It was impressive to see just how fast that superbike was, but also not only the sound but the speed of the Formula One car. This is so rare that I'm able to upload this sort of video to YouTube. I've been to the Monaco F1, I've been to the Abu Dhabi F1, and not been able to post any car content from that event. Whereas here, the Barbados Festival of Speed, this is something really, really special, and I'm so glad that I'm able to film this for you guys, because that sounded insane. I just hope that my microphone has picked up all of the sound, because it was pretty epic. And now, I'm going to head back up here where it's a little bit breezier, a little bit more windy, which is nice on the face, because it is around 35 degrees.
Make an idea of the second lap. Kevin Simpson following him through in second, with Danny Elliott now in third place. Biggest field of cars that we will have seen